Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I would want us to or like us to learn something about 4-bit down counter. We've already in the past video looked at 4-bit up counter. So today we would look at 4-bit down counter. And this is how it works. So let's simulate it, and then after that I'm going to disconnect all the wires that I've connected to the circuit, and then we will build it from the scratch. So it's now F, and it's now come to E, that is 14, and then 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, and it goes on. So it's going to go all the way to 0. It's counting down to 0, and then it will start again from 15. Okay, and with the 4-bit counter, it has 16 outputs. It uses 4 inputs: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I've stopped the simulation, and I want us to take all the connections. I'll disconnect everything here as I did in the previous video and then we will connect them together. Yes, you and I are going to connect it now, and I would welcome all your comments because we are all learning. Okay, so I've done all the disconnections except this one, but I can also disconnect that. Disconnect. So I have disconnected everything. Now what we have to do is do our connections. So with the down counter, the Q output, this one where my cursor is, that Q output will go to the clock, the next clock in front of it, and this will go to the next clock in front of it, that will go to the next clock in front of it. This clock here, this one is a clock, and that is the one I picked. So if you doubt anything, you can go back to the previous video for the up counter and see how look at all the components. This component, so this let me say flip-flops are the ones I have here are D flip-flops. So I will connect this to that. Now what you have to do is to connect the D to the not Q here, this one. So I'll connect this to that, and then this D to this not Q here, this D to this not Q, and that D to that not Q here. So we are done. What I'm going to do is to connect the 7-segment display, so a 7-segment decoder, this one, to all the outputs here. So this to that. Sorry, that's a mistake, my bad. So this to this output, that to that, that to that, and this to the last one. Now I'm going to connect this by just snapping it together. So it's connected, and I'll connect that to that. So I've got everything connected. Now let's try our simulation and see how it's going to work. Well, I think maybe when it was stopped, it stopped at 6, but then it's counting down from 7 to 0, and it will start from the main count, which is 15, and that is represented by letter F. So let's see. Yes, so that is where it should start from 15, and then it comes to 14, which is letter E. Letter D is 13. Letter C is 12. Letter B is 11. And letter A is 10. Then we move on to 9. And then all the way down to 0. So this is how you can construct your own down counter. If you haven't really looked at the previous video, which is for up counter, then you can look for that one. You can look for the videos from Otamek Limited, and my name is Owusu Atakura. So thank you very much for watching, and this is how you can do your own down counter. You see it started from 15 and it's going to count down. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my videos.